BlueHost. They're much more than just a place where you get your domain and where you get your website. Hey, I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And let's dive right into it. A lot of people don't know, but BlueHost does a lot more than just do websites and give you your domain. They can do your emails. You know, they have a lot of professional services now that maybe they didn't have years ago, but now they have them. You know, they're as you can see down through here, they can do your hosting, you know, your online marketing, your pro web design. And if you're not an expert, they can do it for you. You know, if you don't understand how to build a website, maybe you're new and you're looking for an e-commerce or just something, a blog, you know, for your blog. But they got so much, you know, web design. You know, they can build you a custom from WordPress experts, you know, but in their service, they got digital marketing. You know, they can take care of, you know, like your digital needs. They can also do some of your social media stuff. You know, if you need help with that, they can do it. I mean, and the thing is, they can also help you with your SEO stuff. You know, they got people who can help you with that. You know, they got, you know, it's like right here, it says Pro SEO Assistance. They got Pro PPC. They got the Google experts that, you know, to help you with stuff that a lot of websites they just don't have that service. You know, it's just, they can optimize your e-commerce platform, you know, boost your rankings with on-page or off-page SEO, you know, get your own team of SEO experts. That's what I'm saying. You're not going to get a lot of these services with other platforms, but here you do. You can get your own team for Google, PPC experts, you know, about your ads and all that kind of stuff. I'm telling you, BlueHost has come a long ways, and they offer a lot of services. Emails. Bet you didn't know they're doing email services now. So if you're brand new in the game, trying to save a little money, email, they got it right here. You know, they can do the professional emails. You know, they can do the Google workplaces, you know. So just keep that in mind. But you know, I keep telling people that, you know, over the last few years that BlueHost has come a long ways, and they've really started doing a lot more. And they don't do, I don't think they do a very good job of, as far as getting the word out, you know, about all these great services that they offer. Yeah, they offer domains. You know, you can come in here if you're trying to start something and you're looking for a domain that maybe you wonder if somebody has it. You can find it right here. You know, you can try and see if it's already out there, you know, but they just do so much more. You got different prices. You can do different websites, you know, .website, .blog, you know, .net, .org, .com. Probably the most common is, of course, is, you know, is .com, but you can get them all. Get it all, nice little bundle. And, you know, here's some of the prices, but, you know, according to what you get done, what you want, you can go for basic. See right here. And also, I think if you do, that's 12 months, or you can go longer, like 36, it's even cheaper. Just remember, with any software, whether it's BlueHost, Aweber, or GetResponse, any of them that you're going to use, if you look for like a year or maybe 2 years, you know, it's going to be cheaper. So just keep that in mind. You know, you'll save. You know, just look at what you get. You know, if you get the recommend, you know, they recommend the Choice Plus, or you can get the Pro. It depends on what you're trying to do. If you need, you know, the extra websites, like right now, this one offers one, but you could get, if you get the plus, you can get 3. Depends on what you're doing. You can cater it to whatever needs you need. But here's some of the pricing, and if you call them, I guarantee you they'll do better probably than this. They got online stores. If you're trying to do a store, hosting, VPS, they can help you with any of this. But I'm telling you, they've come a long ways since, and I don't think they get the word out good enough so everybody really understands what they offer and how good a quality it is in customer service. Customer service is great. You can spend something cheaper for another company, but then you get something happens, you got nobody to call, or it's hard to get a hold of them. But BlueHost, they're there. I mean, they stand by their products. You got hosting right here. You can do your website, and that's what a lot of people know them for, is their website and domain. A lot of people don't know now that they can do emails. They can help you with your SEO. Take care of all that for you, basically, to where you don't have to mess with it. That's one less headache you have. That's one thing that you don't have to do, and that's something else you can concentrate. Then that gives you more time to concentrate on maybe doing your website or doing something else that has to do with your business. So just keep that in mind when you're thinking about, I'm using this website over here, but maybe I need to move it over here because I can get more bang for my buck. Or maybe you're just brand new and you're looking for some type of service to do your website, do your hosting, get your domain. Look at BlueHost. I don't think you're going to go wrong, with this, because it's getting hosting that gets the job done. That's basically exactly right. So just keep that in mind, because I'm telling you, you can probably do a little cheaper, but you're not going to have all these extra benefits, all these pro services, like SEO, doing your social media stuff, because they can link it. If you're doing a website, they can run your campaign like on your Facebook and that kind of stuff that points to your website, maybe different blog posts or different things you're selling. So keep that in mind. I mean, and you can get it all on one little package, with BlueHost. But check them out. You got nothing to lose. I'll leave a link down in a description, and that if you want to check them out, or give them a call. And if you already have something, ask them how difficult it is to move. I'm pretty sure they can do it, no problem. You won't have, or if you're ready to start, but you just don't know where, how to start, they'll put a team together and help you build your website the way you want it. So, and that's a plus, especially customer service. So just keep that in mind. Give BlueHost a shot, and don't forget to, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you next week.